Desperation of documents. Instead when you get belle, you tell her say you know they get belle until he marry you. He go call you desperate. He not desperate. He dey find another man pikin when he want to single mother. Now he be desperation of documents. You could be desperation of pride. Say you know what, make mistake again. Just get sense. If they feel use you, you not desperate to don't get belle now. Maybe you go see your story. As your head stay dump you whether you good. Story go call you good now you because you go but now you won't come marry. Why you not marry before you meet me? Why you not marry before you born first? Now so that they talk. If they cannot use you, he not desperate. If they find another man pikin when you want to talk to single mother, abi for documents. You when he say you know what you want, now you desperate, fool. Not be mad they meet woman, you don't sleep with her, you go marry him. They'll go marry him because now the way the woman put herself.
I know.
Yes. The way the woman put herself, they'll go marry and they go say, oh, I see no gree me, I sleep with her now only. Now they spoil pass. Story for the gods. They give them 100 years. Osho free. Osho free. Osho free. Osho free. Try your luck. Anyone when you come, they give all here. Who ready? You carry enter us. As a single mother, you get age when you're the rich. You dey think twice. And so I want to live my life. They go. Now so I want to live my life. They go. On a war to say your, not by a war to say your age. They go. You know, think. If you talk about marriage with desperate, if you form mugu, now your character not good for deceiving you to become a single mother. Eh? Wise up. Don't listen to what people they talk. All these people, I was once there anyway. When we tell when it be said because single mother for the beginning, I feel like vampire. So those when it never heal. Jennifer, you are welcome, my love. Those when it never heal. Eh? When they never heal. Now they criticize it. Wise. Well, you know how many Osho free? Wait till you go get insults. Just wise. Let them call you desperate. Yes, it's not easy. It's easy to carry my go registry, go put your finger for barrel, make choose your hand sign. Easy. Now let Bcos when it's sweet, oh, let me do a bow. Now let Bcos when it's sweet. Let me do a bow. Let me make me post the video. What area? Come for me. Let me make me post the video. If you like, go enter. Now for sure, una two put for street alakaye. Una two, I'll kick una two arts to streets. Cause na sign say, "Ari eba me one." Ete no ari eba ma alakaye kicking your body. I'm telling you, no matter. Desperate, I agree. I desperate oh. Egbe Osho free don't tire me. Schedule of extra don't tire me. It tire you. Easy. Carry my go registry. Go choose here. Take say wetin go param. It is easy. Okay. Easy. Why is he? Where are cool? So, Papa. Now let Bcos really sweet. Now I go buy tickets. Go choose here outside. Wait till go pursue up for street if you know obey the rule. The rule and regulation. Alakaye. Ah. Whatever. So go say why you marry court? The man you go now I tell you say the shop government money. I ready to work. Yes. At the age of 30 something now come they say I not go marry because of government money. I been a son I won't live in a life.
Our winner.
Thank you. So say no marry for court, it go affect me for what I be done go take picky. Okay, may go marry me court tomorrow. You go tell me say no be like that no because that I want to talk about way na tradition return now before I can send a divorce. Eh? Yeah, we sign. Oni omane mo muere o. Igo rero ya sanik beat. Iwa musa yoru. You dey feel am, but I don't pray for that. Women wanna go work. More than not the fear court marriage is very good. Arieba were one of the universe. Arieba were. How you shop government money, Go reach 40 years, 40 something. You know the shame. You know work. Now that one make una the fear. Oh, na too flat where you la build, like make una the fear.
Okay, I winner. I winner, man.
Thank you for your celebration. But why I go with her? I don't move. I don't pour out if you hear your name.
I go for your fan. If we both work, I need it. I go for your fan. You live in hardware. Near where you go. I'm here. I put that here. I went there. You work for. Oh, you tell me.
He shocked them all. They don't expect because I look at the alarms. I they do they like this. They do they like this. They do they like this. They're surprised. Just there. More like not go work. More like they call court marriage. I love it drama. Which has imagine you get two flats. They fear for court marriage. More like ask your guests. Why do they fear for court marriage? Government money, they don't want work. Go and work. If they pay your bill, you know they fear all those things. Now only obey jobless. Now they fear you know work. If you they work, court marriage for old age is very good. Your tax go reduce many things. But now you they fear because of job center. Why you are winner? What? But if to say I listen, many people they try to discourage me. I was like, "What talo? Can me accord a day? How many years? Okay, you just come. Ma, you come your way. You get a paper, you they work. You know they find your money. He go engage you, say, may you marry him. You say, no, I never ready. Una can make maths. So people can make maths. Jesus. They don't get the chance. So no people person go rush it that give a carabele. Wala wa. As me day so. Now if you say that I do no marry.
You want to do anything? I can't do me. Now do boy, no get paper.
If I do if I do me my records, I'll go marry. If I bola marry shake me.
Wala iya do me wala wo agimama kugbe. Akugbo etin.
If na Aduro, me I go marry Aduro for court, me go get paper. Isaga. Me I go marry Aduro for court. Me Aduro go get paper. I no marry. If to say Aduro, I for never marry. As he yoko, he get paper, he get life coach. I was like, wow, dream go true. Ni make susele look me, I make susele from Gebele. He was born like Gebele be. Now I grab back, chap. That run no he show. And I love for that good one. A love. You don't know how many men when you use love. Take help when he call you. The love continue love till 40 years, 40 years. Men man they call your life, call the gain, you they lose all for love, a love for that boy. Not be the love the man see. Not be the love the man see. Take deceive you, give you belly. How it ends. Abi, continue to be foolish. Oh, why you never love? He show me because love when I go love you, not go get. God not like me to send me mad when he did okay to love. Now useless ones when they fire. Now God go tell me I go love. Abi, keep loving. Keep. Mebula, wait till we tell the preach for this platform. When I dey warn Aduro boys make they avoid me. What idiot. I know say una no be human being o. Una be human being. No come my way to be Aduro. My like my inite.
Aduro not me now.
Aduro not me. But I no end with Aduro. Yes, you get why. As me dey so now, my character no fit Aduro. Aduro na traditional man until they get paper. Before they come be real man. Aduro is a traditional man. For me, a church woman may work here. You dey feel me? So I know come patient. After 1 month, don't use me. I call they do like Oswo. You dey feel am? Why you not go for Aduro when you say I don't love her? Why you not go love Aduro? Why you not go fall in love with Aduro? You never friend Aduro. Why you not love the Aduro? May he stay there. You know like better thing. As me they also woman when it dey okay, like so we go they also there.
Yeah, so like 50-50. Aduro not there.
As me they also women when it dey okay. Now so we go they also the one when it still they say yeah above there. Our select. Our women no rough it here.
Change your name. She don't change your name.
It's you. Oh, that the one when we select remember I love that one. Congratulations, guys. I don't choose my own. If the Adura for don't fly, call here. You know, see all of them when they call Adura, all of this they do like say they know they see us. So tell about when my puppy made them for see I say, made them I forget attention. You can hear my day. I dash you that I don't come out. I'm now Mrs. Oh, no, they lota loge. Mrs. Omorui. No be tradition alone. In case una dey have una dey poor o. Seal.
I'm dusted.
You dey seal am. You dey awa say na be. Amanya dey be wetin re my sister Sashiki. Sashiki. Mommy Susie, thank you for celebrating us while Yahweh say. Thank you. Who may like Sashiki? Why like Sashiki kiki we kike? You dey feel her? A kiki a kiku wa for Sashiki. Oh wa lele we for love forever. Yes na. Oh wa lele we forever.
That's your boy, yo.
No put body oh. Issue. The thing shallow. 22 carats no. 22 carats. You know where oh. He came one me I'll pay work by 40. He got here my boo, my ma, my boo, my ma, my boo, my ma. A more work here. Me I call the exchange care for where picking where don't they grow. They now I close my eye. Say me I still respect myself. If person they live bad life, una go they complain. If person decide to amend, una go see they complain. Lizzie G's, thank you for celebrating with us. All the bloggers, God bless you all. So what you una say that they please una? You get life where you they live, you decide to amend your way of life. Okay, let's stay one place. Maybe we know the do ere. Make through the way that they grow, they see us responsible. Una go talk. Desperation. Thank you, desperation. If person still they live your life. You dey exchange man. Different man for the truth and present. Different man for the truth and present. How can them please you people? How can them please you people? You know, in that age where you dey reach old age, I first they talk am. Who they say me they talk say marriage not good. You are a liar. Unless say you know they follow my page. Now me they talk and say I go marry. I never see the one where I define oh. I never follow. I not married my wife. You know they listen to me. I like all those men where they go say now they control am. because if they respect you now they like. As men they find what they won't use. Now so women they find my when you humble. So find what you they find. I find what I they find not people follow traditional man. Okay. So I decided I say my son don't they go, he don't they grow. Since almost 2 years, last year, I know they carry man come my children present. Otogbe. You know what now I decide to carry one. Live a gentle life. Yes. So all single mother mona do the same. If your children don't they grow, amen. Amen. That one na confusion they worry am. Person when he young, you go closer, marry your mom because of obewe where she be. Obewe where she be. She want your mom come they work, feed them. If you they work, you'll get choice of man. And now she call the also small. I make the say she they to do vaga around. You see when she not the also around, she not do when she not the also. So women work, you'll get choice. You know, say as my husband young. Now fresh water, oh. No be old cargo. No be old cargo. No be old cargo. Okay? Now fresh man wey never reach 40. Now I go for. Thank God I not go for my heads that time. All my heads not to it, your man old man finish. All my heads not to old man finish. They are no longer attractive. Thank God I lost it to that table. The good one will have God will bless you now. Here you see the nyama one when you follow by mistake. They don't talk to a Java finish, they're not even they attractive again. She is very jealous of my husband. She's very jealous. It's good to get you so. If I see my husband back, we talk to the table. Easy. No, if you they walk, you'll get choice. If you want carriage on with the very price. All those girls when you don't want walk, they all come obey where they fight your man where they go. When they sell market, when you want to take care of them, they go and bad. They're still young man, don't they old. Now so to judge people. Now they'll come the pepper, they'll call the pepper, they see fresh boy. You see, they regret her now. If to say I know that time for not settle. She just they regret her now. If to say I know that time for not settle, my sister is too late. Shame not go let you come out there again because you don't to make maths. Manage him, you go soup back. You go move on. Hey, yeah, you pop your big boy ho. No, they won't make another remove on sister. Because me no say now this jealousy now make sister friend go Nigeria. As he see and says he see friend say he get hotel. People come they talk am jealousy come say they'll come say na she make am she no make am. Now he jump come out. It's not a hotel. Oh. They give her to do her to. When he bring quarrel today, she know they ever they agree make they pass am. Make the trip for waiting she get. You see her husband, I know everybody say her husband head pain. Yes, she the advice person. When they say she be a doctor, no, I not come advise her husband though. I not come advise her. She they see you, she they advise. You get a CP. So my love. Now only ROIP go separate her because shame not go let her come. It not be like us when it take both. No go press the neck, make quick bow or one live long. What suffer eh? Unu oya pe wo hehe kia u te baby e o.